When the Mexican War ended, the United States ended up gaining land in a greater amount than the whole of Louisiana Territory. So the question was, will that land be slave or free? This is a question that really struck at the heart of the conflict between Northerners and Southerners. And in 1846, a congressman named David Wilmot introduced an amendment to an appropriations bill, that's a bill to get money. And when an amendment is added to something like that, it's called proviso. So this Wilmot Proviso states that any territory from Mexico must be organized as free rather than slave. This proviso in the bill, the appropriations bill, passed the House of Representatives, which again is based on population, and therefore the congressmen are mostly Northerners, and then it goes to the Senate. Now the Senate is evenly split between slave states and free states, and the bill gets killed, right? So it doesn't pass. But it doesn't die, right? It comes up every year between 1846 and 1861. So it's a bill that represents a lot of the frustrations between Northerners and Southerners. And here is a cartoon about the balance of this. At the top is President Taylor. The weight on the left reads Wilmot Proviso, and the one on the right says Southern Rights. And Taylor says, "Who said I would not make a no-party president? I defy you to show any party action here." So what they're saying is, here is a president that's actually sort of not taking a side and is trying to balance things, which makes it very hard. And one legislator on the left sings, "How much do you weigh? $8 a day, walk to roll." Another states, "My patience is as exaltable as the public treasury." A congressman on the right says, "We can wait as long as they can." On the ground, John Bull, that's Britain, observes, "That's like what we call in Old England a glass of half and half," right? So what the Wilmot Proviso is illustrating is that there's a great deal of bitterness, antagonism, and frustration, right? And the question is, why does this continue to divide the nation, right? Why does this issue, whether or not Texas becomes free or slave, why does that split the nation and polarize America at this time?